Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 5th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.29% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to what would a US-Iran deal mean for European stocks. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.35, gaining 0.28% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 159.94, gaining 0% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices tick up as traders weigh Iran truce prospects, hot us inflation. USD SGD is trading at 0.7794, losing 0.01% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7141, gaining 0.09% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to what would a US-Iran deal mean for European stocks. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1478, gaining 0.05% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices fall as Trump sets red lines for Iran ceasefire, barons. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices tick up as traders weigh Iran truce prospects, hot us inflation. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Currency markets are reacting to what would a US-Iran deal mean for European stocks. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Our near-term view on Euro to US dollar. With Euro to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.19 level above and $1.14 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.